So help us understand, what value it actually brings out, and how do you see that, it contributing to the wider objective of achieving carbon neutrality and the sustainability goal for the sector.
Okay. So our material, like I, told you, it is the components, the raw materials that are used in the material are, carbon neutral
Uh-huh.
or carbon friendly. I mean, I'm very bad with all these terminologies. I'm more of a manufacturer and an R&D person. But yes, it does contribute to all that. So all that we need right now is acceptance by people, of this technology. Like, if I was in the US for 4 years, and I saw, not knowing that I'm going to get into this industry, I used to watch people building homes over there, and
Yeah.
houses used to be up and up, running within 3 to 4 months. And I used to keep wondering, why don't people use it here?
Right.
And even though, for walls they use things like sheetrock, which is gypsum, which I used to watch in movies where they used to punch a hole in the wall, and I say, yeah, right. But then I went there and I saw that it actually was that way, and people have been using that for decades, and the materials that we have are much stronger. So all that we look for is, people need to kind of get aware of these are the products that are there. Why do you need to have concrete buildings? And the mentality of us Indians is, we build a house, it is for the next few generations. But what people don't realize is the next generations don't keep the building as is. They break walls, probably the entire building, and a lot of it is going to waste.
Yeah.
Whereas the good part about this, if they don't want a wall here, they can just cut it and cut the wall and take it away and possibly put it somewhere else. If they want to rebuild the whole structure, they can use the same material and rebuild it. So
Right.
these are, some of the advantages that people need to understand, and also realize that people don't look at buildings to last 100 years now. After 25 years, people, they redo the whole thing, and that's good for the structure also, So
Right.
these are the things that need to be done, and so let's hope that people realize the value of sustainable materials and sustainable structures in the real
Yeah.
form.
Right.
Not just switching off lights when you go out and switching on lights when you get in, and
Right.
saving energy that way, and start adopting and adapting new practices in buildings, in internal walls, partitions, acoustics, because there are zillion applications where sustainable materials can be used.
Thank you so much for your time today, and the sharing of knowledge and the application of the product. It was really wonderful to be a witness of all those things. Thank
Thanks,
you.
Nitin, for taking the time and coming here.
Sure.